Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia XR20 and let me share with you how to enable night light or a comfort mode. So first of all, we will begin with the customization of this feature, and after that I will show much faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings and tap on the display. And as you can see, on the third position we've got the night light, so let's tap on it, and before we will customize it we have to turn it on. So let's tap on this big button, and I hope that you can see that the screen turned a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. Of course, you can change the intensity of that feature just by using this switcher. By going to the left you can make it much cooler, and this feature is almost invisible right now, and you can make it much warmer by going to the right. So just set it like you want to, set the option which is the most comfortable for you. What's more, we can schedule that feature, so we can turn it on at custom time, so we can freely manually choose the time, or we can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and your device will decide when the sunset and sunrise is. So let me pick the custom time, for example, and as you can see we've got the start time and end time, so we can tap on it, and from this clock we can pick the time we would like to use. So let me pick 4 o'clock, for example. Let's tap on OK, and let me pick the end time, for example 4 o'clock also. And as you can see, after confirming it, the screen turns yellowish again. It is of course because we are between the start and end time. So let me actually turn off this option. Let me leave it like this. So this is the whole customization of this feature, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and find the night light icon, which is right here in my case. So if you'd like to turn it off, because obviously right now it is turned on, just tap on this icon, and as you can see the screen gets back to its normal state. Of course you can turn it on the same way. If for some reason the night light icon did not appear right here on this panel, no worries, just tap on this edit icon here and you will be able to find it here. Just tap on it, hold it and drag it to this very first section to apply it. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the night light or a comfort mode in your Nokia XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.